It's been brilliant, really. I think it's just over a year now. We started last November, so we're just over a year. Progression in a year has been unbelievable, really, and just chatting to some of the coaches here, some of the guys that first started out who you're a bit unsure about, and now the position they're in, a huge improvement, and the guys love it still, as if it was the first session, so it's been brilliant. So looking to go to Basingstoke and Portsmouth is the plan. That might take a little bit of time. This is taking time. Sam Moss has done such a great job in Southampton getting the participation up in Southampton, and the cricket board getting into schools in Southampton. So that's been a brilliant start and so helpful for us. And then moving on from there, it's just a case of trying to replicate that in Basingstoke and Portsmouth. Obviously, they will be very different programmes, and not every dynamic in each area is going to be the same.
I feel like really good. I feel like it's special, like no one's playing it. Like we are lucky to play here.